hopefully my battery can reach. Okay guys, so here's the minivan, and this is, I'm gonna keep the car running here. Alright, so this is how you jumpstart car here, and it comes with this. It's pretty cool. It says it right here. Yep. And so here we go. We are going to grab this part right here. Oh my gosh. That's right over there. This, yep. Yeah, we'll be able to reach for sure. So,
Hook it up.
to mine, right? To mine first?
Yeah, hook
Okay.
up the red. To the
Red first?
Yeah, it says first you hook it up to the dead battery.
Dead battery. Cool. You do that. So negative first or positive first on yours?
So on the diagram it says I hook up the positive one, hook up your positive one, and negative one, and then I hook the black one up to a piece of the
Okay, wait. So positive and then positive, right?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
you put on your negative.
My negative.
Yeah.
Let me know when you did yours. Yeah, you gotta like.
It's a shitty connection.
Dude, no,
yeah.
yeah. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Boom. Boom. Okay, now I do my positive, right?
Yeah.
Don't start it yet. Give it a couple,
Couple seconds.
Yeah, a couple seconds. No biggie, no biggie.